Now I must have been a good boy this year because Santa, aka my roommate Elijah, was very, very nice and decided that my computer needed a little spicing up in the peripheral department, needed some eardrum tickling, and that can be done through this nice gift by a loving member of 3411, the Logitech Z313 Rich Balanced Sound Speakers. Let's take a look inside. Now the Logitech speakers that we have here say that they are an astounding 50 watts. Oh. And what that means is that they have two speakers as well as a subwoofer. A small one, but a subwoofer nonetheless, making this 2.1 sound. Is that right? Yes. The 2 is for the two speakers and the 0.1 is for subwoofers. I am learning, people. Features a simple setup where you can connect any device via the 3.5mm input and easy controls. It has a remote controller that we will take a look at so you can control the volume as well as turn them on and off. Looking at the back though, I'll be honest, I've already used these a bit so I can attest to how good they are. And that's why this tape is undone. But I was nice enough to repackage up everything to make it look like we're doing this for the first time. Take this, open the box, and we see there's some directions on top as to how it's set it up. But really, it's so simple a caveman can do it because I didn't have to read the directions to do this. Take the flaps, we open them up, and we pull out first some wires and the actual two peripheral speakers and bubble wrap. Has bubble wrap, that's always fun. Take them out, pull off the bags. And there we have it, two speakers. And as you can see here, once I get them in frame, there's some mesh in front of the actual speaker itself, as well as these little ports. Okay, no speakers in there, but there's these little ports. We'll set these aside and get ready for the big kahuna, the subwoofer. And look, like a shopping bag, you just take it, you pull it out, you take the box, you throw it aside. Do a little shimmy to pull out the subwoofer, and then also attached to the subwoofer. I saw a video of a guy with tangled headphones like this, and then the detangle hairspray, and they sprayed it on them, and I thought that was the funniest thing. Take the untangled cords, now that we've sprayed on them, we reveal a remote, on-off button, as well as a volume control, and then even a place to plug in your headphones. And then right here, also connected to the remote portion, like so, is what actually goes into the back of your computer. Plug that in, you got it, and the power cord. Plug it into our handy dandy, or take two. So now that we've plugged it into our handy dandy power strip and resolved our mic issues, we'll take the speakers, like so, and then plug them into the port on the back, and we are ready to rock and roll. In order to do this, we will need Jack's assistance. We will make sure this is turned off so we don't blow your eardrums out when plugging this in. We will be playing a 3411 Heaven Classic. That's right, baby. It's about to get a little steamy in here. Some might say 100 degrees. Jack, it's gonna get hot in here.
It's 100 degrees, why you feeling down, what's the problem?
And since we don't want to disturb any of the neighbors with that sound, that 50 watts, we're gonna leave it up to you to check these out for yourself. I don't know how much they cost. I don't want to know. But I do know that you can check that out in the link in the description. And also, since it's the end of the video now, don't forget to drop us a like. Also click that subscribe button because you want to hear that song more in the future. As well as, go check out some of our other videos, maybe some of them featuring that song. That's all I have for you today, folks. Thanks for watching and checking out these wired speakers. We'll see you in the next one. Bird out.